Hello and welcome to Honda Bolton. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of this Honda approved 2018 HR-V IVTEC Sport Edition that we do currently have in our stock. It is finished in a complementing Pearlescent crystal black along with your 1.5 petrol engine, so it is perfect as a city runaround. And for any further information, please give us a call on 01204 827 906. So if you start at the front of the vehicle, you do have your full LED daytime running lights, along with your front parking sensors, so this will ensure you do have full visibility of the road ahead. They do sit on these lovely 18-inch alloy wheels, followed by electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors, with your integrated LED indicator in there. And as you can see, you are complemented by your chrome handles on your front, along with the black access rear handles. And if we go ahead and take a close look into your rear interior, it is a full cloth finish, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. With your handy armrest just in the centre there, you do have plenty of leg space below, with your handy USB port and cup holder in the centre. As this is a 2018 reg, it has covered just over 19,000 miles, and complemented on the rear by your HR-V badging. You do have your rear parking sensors there as well. Inside your boot area, you do have plenty of space for any personal items or any large suitcases. And if we go ahead now and take a close look into your front interior features, you will find your full leather multifunctional steering wheel alongside your central display screen with all your audio controls just below there. You do have a handy full leather armrest which does divide your two front cloth seats, again very comfortable, and they have been exceptionally well maintained throughout. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this edition. So I'll now be jumping into the front and showing you all the top key technology features. So turning our attention just to your right hand side of your driver's door, you will find all your controls to operate all four of your electronic windows. You do have your central locking system and outer wing mirror adjustments. And just to your left there, you do have your eco mode if you are feeling a bit more efficient. On the right hand side of your steering wheel, it does come with your cruise control and speed limiter options, giving you a helping hand in those longer journeys. You do have your buttons just to your bottom right there, which can control your digital cockpit screen, which I will demonstrate in a second. And just to the left, you do have all your audio controls with your options below to answer incoming phone calls. You do have your voice recognition there as well, so it is very handy for a hands-free safe drive. And you can control your small screen to your right there using the buttons on your steering wheel. Just in the centre, you do have your touchscreen display with your built-in Bluetooth connection. So you can connect your smartphone device in seconds. This will allow you to listen to your own desired music. And of course, you do have your various radio stations or even your integrated CD player above. So there are plenty of options there. You do even have your Honda App Centre as well if you do wish to download even further apps. This edition does come with your dual climate control, so you can alternate the temperature on either side of the vehicle at one time. Either sync or unsync with, depending on your preference, ensuring both front passengers are happy at all times. You do have your front and rear heated windscreen options as well, for that quick getaway, especially when the vehicle is frosted over. You are complemented below by your brushed alloy inlays, which does surround your electronic park and brake, your manual gear stick, and you do even have your two pop-out cup holders and storage pocket below, with of course your full leather armrest just behind. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date with all our exclusive Honda videos.